Hello, Chris here from Motorcycle Reclamation. Right, wait till the end, watch till the end, okay? Right, you got it. So here's a few of the toys that I'm working on at the minute. This one came in recently. This is a Honda 404. She's very cute. She's quite clearly got alley wheels on it. Well, I've got a set of spoked wheels spare and new rims and everything, so this is going to get rebuilt and put back to totally standard Honda 404. Pretty much everything that's there, other than the bleeding obvious, will get reused. Mudguards cleaned, exhausts fully cleaned up and left unwrapped. That's a Micron system on there. Tank and side panels are good. Side panel needs stickers. The frame, sadly, has been painted red at some point and then black over it. So I'm going to have to strip the beast to 1,000 pieces to powder coat the frame. So when I do that, everything is getting cleaned and tidied, and obviously things like that are going. Anything damaged will either get painted or replaced. But she is going to be dead standard. This one here is also a Honda 404, but it was cafe raced back in the 80s. I've taken the paint off that and refilled it. It's got twin discs on the front. I've ordered new calipers for that at huge expense. It's getting new everything that it needs, but it's getting put back together more or less how it is. So these foam grips with the stars on, you can still buy them brand new, so it's getting those on it. These bars, which are awesome, are going to get re-chromed. The tank is going away for some artwork, and I'm not going to tell you what artwork it's getting done on it, but you will like it. The frame is going to get powder coated, and I don't know if to do it black or if to do it to match the artwork, so I might leave that till after. Engine's going to get stripped to 1,000 pieces and rebuilt, and all new nuts and bolts. The exhaust is probably going to stay as it is because that will clean up lovely. And this one has got wire wheels on it, but it's going to be a cafe racer, so this is going to donate its wheels to that one, except they're going to have new spokes and outer, so new rims. So this one is going to get twin discs in some format. I'm not sure those hubs will carry it. Well, one way or another, yes they will. One way or another, this is getting twin discs with alley wheels. So 404 cafe racer, 404 standard. Now this one is actually finished, and I know you're going to pick holes in it and go, ooh, that's rusty. Well, this is a pro build by Blackhearts, and that's a Yoshimura system on there that's been cut down, and it actually works really well. The carbs are absolutely spot on with the ram air filters on there, and they've purposely left it all like this. It's done nothing since it's been built, you know, hardly any use. But it's a really clever little build. Now this is staying on these wheels and tyres because we're looking at street scrambler style here. To me, that's moving because I've been listening. The seat's a little bit narrow, so I'm getting a new seat made, a bit wider, a little bit higher, and we're going to get rid of that gap totally. And this tank is going away for artwork, and it's going to have a rat fink on the top, and the stickers are going, it's having black and grey flames coming up from the bottom. It will make sense when you see it. And then these bits here are going to disappear, and all this is coming off and getting repainted. But basically it's actually a finished bike. I'm going out on it tonight actually. This here just turned up yesterday. It's another, so it should say this is a 554. This is another Honda 554. It's got the super sexy 4-way standard 4-into-1 system. It's later because it's got the different tank on it. This one is going to get done up as standard. I have parts that came with it down here. We've got the brake disc there for it, and we've got all sorts of bits and pieces and side panels and things. And this one is in blue. I'm debating keeping it blue. I'm not entirely sure yet because I do like the parakeet yellow. But anyway, do you remember me saying wait till the end, yeah? Well, here's some of the parts for this bike. Here's some parts for another bike. So, the last bike, the 5th bike in my collection, is a Honda 404, but it's a Yoshimura. So, there's your Yoshi fork brace. Here is your racing swinging arm, reinforced. It's got ARE wheels, made in 1978, British made, but they're quite a rare, unusual thing. All sorts of gubbins in here, brake discs and bits and pieces, but let's show you the main thing. Here's the motor. Now, we've got the Yoshi back plates on there. We know that it's set up. It is turning over really, really nicely. Not sure what cam it's got in there, whether it's a Honda performance cam or not. I've got to research the numbers off that. Pretty sure it's got Yoshimura pistons in it. So that is going to be quite clever. And all these, we've got the caps with the fins on them. And it's got that. It's got all sorts of bits and pieces that will make it into a very, very nice bike. So this is getting stripped to 1,000 pieces and put together as a 404, how the Japanese would have done. I'm looking forward to getting into the engine because it's drilled for racing. So like your sump plug and things are drilled so you can wire them, which is always a good sign. Well, I mean, a good sign that it's been done. It may have had some use, but the way that engine's turning over and the valve gear and everything's turning over, that's fine. It feels so nice. But I'm going to strip it down anyway and give it a new cam chain. We're going to change it to electronic ignition and do a few other bits and pieces. But anyway, that's what we're up to at the minute. So we are playing with Honda 404 and 554s. So a bit of silliness for you. This was me playing with copper leaf, just to see if I like the effect of it. I'm tempted to cover the whole tank just for the hell of it, but my artist guy might rebel because he's got to do that tank for me in between quite a lot of other painting. So anyway, sorry for waffling on, but if you like looking at Honda 404s, there you go. As always, things are for sale, but I want to get all these finished before I sell them really. If you're desperate to buy one of them as they are, make me an offer I can't refuse. Don't make me an offer I can refuse, because I'll refuse it. Okay, I would love to get these all finished. I would love to run them all for a while, and I probably will. Right, see you later, guys.